Hey creator, Justin here, and today we're going to explore how to create a pricing page inside of Notion sites, and we're going to use Perplexity as an example. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Alright, now you can see my screen. On the left we've got Perplexity Pro, and on the right we've got a blank Notion document. And we're going to be copying Perplexity Pro, so we can go ahead and title it Perplexity Pro just like that. And then the beginning part just has this text, so we can go ahead and copy that in just like that. And the second part, it has this little line, so we can just type some hyphens, and it puts a little line in right there. Just a couple of hyphens puts a line. You can hit backspace to remove that line, or you have to click on it actually, then hit delete, and that removes the line. So now we've got one line. Now next up, we've got two columns. We've got one for the standard pricing plan over here, and then one for the professional pricing plan. So in order to create these two columns, we're gonna have to press our slash command and then type in two columns and then press enter. And when we press enter, column one is created right here on the left. And then when we move our mouse over to the right side, column two will appear. But it's kind of invisible at first. You just have to move the mouse over to the right side of column. And you've got two columns. And now we just start to copy, or we start to create our own pricing plans. We've got the standard plan, which we can put in column one, and the professional plan, which we can put in column two. You can start for free, or you can unlock the full capabilities. And then we can tap over to this section here, and it looks like we have a middle space here, so we're gonna bring that back up to the top there. Now next up, we have a heading 1 or heading 2. We can use heading 2 in this case, and we'll type in free, and then we can go over here, slash command heading 2, press enter, and then type in $20, and then enter monthly. So next up are the buttons. So we'll hit the slash command and we'll type in button, and we can then create a button inside of Notion just like this. So the first button says continue with free, so we can go ahead and type in continue with free. And then you can link that button to your pricing page just by hitting new action and then saying open page form or URL, and then linking that page when you select it over here. But we'll press done for now. This button's not going to be linked to anything specifically. And then we'll go back to the second column, we'll hit our slash command, and then we'll hit button, and then we'll do the same thing, continue with pro, and then we'll press done. So we've got our two buttons set up, and now all we have to do is just type in our bullet points, which explain the different pricing plans. So we can copy these over. You just copy that. Say you already have your bullet points for your pricing project. Now all we have to do is just add in the bulleted checkmark lists there. So we can bring up our emoji picker. On the Mac, that's command control spacebar, and then we can type in the little checkbox, and that did not put in checkbox, so let's type in checkbox and then insert checkbox. There we go. And then we can go ahead and paste in these. I'm actually going to paste them and match our style, and then I'm going to copy this checkbox to each one, and this makes it look just like that on the left. And then I'm going to bring it up some so it's closer to that button. Or actually, it looks a little bit better with some spacing right there. Just like there's some spacing. There's actually a line. We can put in a line right there. So see the line we just put in and the line that's there. All right. We can do the same thing over here. We can put a line and we can type in a few hyphens. A line pops up. Then we can go over here. We can copy our bullet points for the pricing plan. We can paste them in. Then I'm going to Control Z and paste. I'm going to paste them in and match style, which you can do by pressing Edit on a Mac and then going up to paste and match style up here in the top left. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy over the little check marks to each individual one, and we would have successfully recreated this page within Notion sites, and we've got our own little pricing page. So it's that simple to get started in Notion sites. All we have to do now is just go up to the share button in the top right. So we hit the share button, this pop-up pops up, we go over to the publish section, we hit publish, and then our site is live on the internet, and we can copy it and send it to anyone.